Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add 250 and 20 MA in NinjaTrader 8. So what we'll need to do is basically go right here to the top of your screen, click on indicators, scroll down until you see EMA, and then just click on add. So for the first period, you are going to select 200. And now if we scroll down, we can select different color for it. So let's do that. So let's say for this one, I'll select orange, red, and just right now, I will make sure to add another one. So click on add, and right here, write a 50 for the period. And for the color, we leave it on the yellow. You can choose your color by your own preference. And then just select it again, and now we will make a period of 20, and let's say this color will be right now a blue one. And right now what we'll need to do is basically just click apply, and your indicators are added to the chart. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.